Hello everyone. So I'm back with a weekly zodiac guidance. So I have already shuffled the card, and we will be seeing some guidance from tarot, from Sai Baba, and angel guidance. So let's start with Aries. Aries, you might be having some heartbreak this week. You might face some job loss or business loss. Some loss is indicating this week. So be cautious and have faith on divine. Something better he has planned for you might be. So again, it is a general reading. It might resonate with few people, it might not. So whatever it's resonating with you, you should take, otherwise you should leave, because several people watch in my pages, channels, and also all of their emotions, all of their energies are involved. So be cautious. So Aries, you will be having some heartache. You might face some job loss or business loss or something, but some good thing might happen in future. Change in life, nothing is permanent. Get constant change is inevitable. Baba, as per Baba, it is whatever changes are happening right now, so take it in a positive way and move ahead and get more information about any matters. If you are dealing with someone for business matter, or looking for a job, or getting married, or getting into a new relationship, whatever it is, you need to get more information about that person or business or deals or anything. So angels guidance is like that. Taurus, wow, you will be in a very good position this week. Universe is going to give you nice offers, nice business offers, job offers, which you were waiting for so long. So it's a very good time ahead. As per Baba, three magics: good thoughts, good words, good deeds, as this will come back to you sooner or later in life. So work on these three magics, and as per angel, there will be some recovery. Obviously means if you were going through some business losses or any heartache or anything, some recovery will be there, and good time is ahead. And so it's a nice reading for the Taurus. Gemini, you will be juggling a lot between professional life and personal life, between two offers. I mean, say whatever you are doing, be cautious, because you might face some conflicts also from family or with your partner or something. So be cautious. And as for Baba, Baba's will or Master's will is working behind you, means they are with you, so don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. The situation will improve according to angels, so have faith on divine grace. Cancer, you will be in a very good position. Means like you will have money, recognitions, job offers, business offers. So everything will be in a stable position, and you will be grounded, and you will be like, wow, I am the queen of everything, queen or king. So this is the energy I am getting for Cancer, means from tarot. And as per Baba, read some holy books. This will help you a lot for for the soul purpose and all. Turn your information into knowledge by practicing what you have learnt. So read any holy books, like be Satcharitra or anything. And yes, a big yes from universe, big yes from angels. Whatever you are thinking, this is the right time to go ahead, and this is good. Leo, you will be not in a good mood this week. You will be facing lots of conflicts, or like politics at work, and but you will be in your own strength. You will be fighting with the whole world, and and you will find a way out of your this kind of situation. Again, Baba is saying there is some celebration, a good news is coming up, so have faith on Baba or your divine power, divine guide. In the near future, everything will work out for you. Virgo, you will be in a fool's position. Means like you will be like, means like whatever it is, I am taking it very lightly, and you will be in a means like very fun kind of energy, and everything is falling in place in your life, and it is a good sign for you. Repetition in life will happen unless or until you are taking lesson from your current situation. So be cautious, means like whatever you are going through, you should take some lesson and go ahead. Otherwise, the cycle will be repeating. Take action about. Anything, means like if you are looking for any good job or any business opportunity or any getting married with someone, you need to take action, and means like from Angel, it is a good time for you. Libra, wow, it's a sun card, means like it's a very positive one, and positive time is ahead, and everything will fall in place for you, be it professional, personal, anything, and it's a very good time. And why not? Libra time is ahead, and you are the universe, explore the universe within you. So this is the thing that you have to understand that you are the universe, explore the universe within you. So don't look outside. So have faith on your divine power and all. Reconsider any offers, like be it personal or professional or anything. So this is the thing you have to follow for this week. And Scorpio, there will be some offers in personal and professional way, and there will be something like a job offer or business offer or the matrimony offers. So it's a nice time ahead. And Baba is saying whatever the worries, angers, fears you have, jealousy, hurts, disease, you have to burn it in your in Baba's dhuni. So you have to move ahead from this kind of energy, and meditation brings answer. You have to do lots of meditation as per angels. So try to do that, try to do lots of inner works, so that will help you a lot. Sagittarius, you will be in a very like depressive kind of mood, and you want to leave everything and you want to move ahead. So I mean, so have patience, some good thing might happen within 8 days or 8 weeks. So have patience. Sadness and gladness are two sides of the same coin. See, Baba is also saying, so you have to. Everyone goes through of all those things. So have patience on Baba, and have Shraddha Saburi. Remain positive. Again, Angel is saying, see, everyone, means like each and every cards are giving you just like a positive sign, like everything will be okay, fine. This is just a phase. So it is okay, fine. Capricorn, you will be going through a lots of sleepless nights, lots of anxiety, depression. You will be not in a good position, but again I will be telling you, do some inner work, do some meditation, chanting, be assertive. Being too good is not the answer. Being assertive is, it's like follow that suggestion of Baba, guidance of Baba, and look for a sign. There will be a sign from angels or God. There will be a way out from this kind of situation. So have faith on divine power. Something better is going to come up. And now Aquarius, Tarot is suggesting that you will be in a better position right now. You are going to balance your life a lot, and you are going to do lots of danas, and personal, professional life both are looking very nice for you. You will give some respect to your elders as well, and Shiv Shakti, balance your masculine and feminine energies in your body. So, Baba is suggesting that also. So, it's all about the balancing this week. However, you want to balance and choose a new direction if something is not working for you, some new direction you have to choose for your career or your life or anything. So, have patience on Baba, have patience on angels and all. Everything is fine in your life, Aquarius. And Pisces, Pisces, you will be in a hermit mode, not in a very good mood right now, and but there is still hope of any situation. It's like you haven't, you are keeping hope. You want to go ahead with something, but you are feeling stuck in your life. You need to detach a lot, like from people or situations or something. I mean, say prayers will help you, and write Baba's name a lot. That will also help you, and within next few months, you will be in a better position. So, this was all about this week's guidance from Baba, Angel, and Tarot. We'll be coming back with the daily guidance as well. So, like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye. Thank you so much.